Welcome, viewers. You found the Lehigh Valley Beamers channel, and my name is Zach. I'm on my way to the BMW MOA 2026 Rally in Essex Junction, Vermont. And right now I'm in upstate New York, Route 199. I really don't know where I'm at. I'm just kind of meandering. I don't even have the sat nav on. I have a habit of just, when I'm on tour, rushing things, I just want to get to the area where I want to go. So I'm trying to slow down, trying to explore different areas. And so far it's been good. Passed a lot of little small towns. Nothing I felt that was recordable. But yeah, it was good. It's good so far, and I just keep plugging along here. I'm going to be going through the Route 100 of Vermont, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, so yeah, on tour. I feel good. I was dodging some rain earlier. It was raining on and off, but we finally surpassed that. Yeah, it's funny, all these little towns. You could tell that there was, like, at one point there was a little touristy area, and now it's just like barren, It's strange to see. It's kind of like depressing, but in the same breath, it's nostalgia, But yeah, you feel the remnants of other people there. I don't know how to describe it. It's weird. You try to picture it in your head what it looked like back in its heyday. So yeah, we're just following a dump truck here, and pretty bored, but the scenery's nice anyway. I love upstate New York, by the way. You wouldn't think of New York as scenic and beautiful, because everybody thinks of the city, but it really is. It's beautiful countryside. So this is my first MOA rally. I'm not really sure what to expect, but we'll see when we get there. I did join the volunteer Friday morning as a gopher, so once I get there, I'll just try to figure out the lay of the land and go from there. I love Vermont, by the way. I have been in Vermont once during Americade, and another beautiful countryside, just luscious green, luscious greens. And anyway, we're looking for Route 44 North. I don't know how big this route is, if it's a highway, but this 199 has turned out pretty good. 44, Junction 44, where we at? 44 North, I want to say. Or maybe 2044. Is it north or south, big guy? If this is 44, it's already turning out good. Yeah, 44. Okay. Now from 44, we should see 7. But I don't even know if I'm on 44 north or east or what. It just says 44, so let's keep digging. Yeah, the gas prices are even crazier up here, though. I just got robbed for premium. But I stopped in Red Hook, and it was like $5.20 something. I was like, wow. But it wasn't even off the highway. I mean, it's just a small little town. Yeah, another thing is I don't like to stop, you know. Like I said, I rush around to get to the area where I want to be, but I could have stopped back there at some historical sites, and I should have, but I'm going to regret it, I know, but I do it every single time. You know, I just don't want to stop once I'm on the road. It's like you anticipate it for so long, and you know, you just want to go. That's how I feel anyway. Trying to get out of that. Oh, also got my passport to go to Canada if we do. I'd like to go to Canada, but I don't know where I'm going to go yet. You know, if I'm just going to drive around there or what. I have no like destination. I thought about Montreal, but I don't know if I want to go into a city. Especially if all the signs are in French, you know. Then I'm really going to need the sat nav. So yeah, I planned a route on Google, but the problem is you could plan a custom route on the laptop, but on your mobile it doesn't work. And I guess it's a Google thing. I was really disappointed because I even made a link. I saved the route. I was ready to rock and roll, and found out you couldn't do it if you use, you know, if you use your mobile. So that's kind of sucks. Like, that's the whole reason 44 is this way. But you know, why would you make a custom route only on the laptop? I don't see no turn on red. You know, you can't like use it as a sat nav on a laptop, you know, unless you're in a car, I guess. Even then it's hard. Yeah, it doesn't say if you're going north or south on this, east or west. It just says 44. That's awesome. Anyway, yeah. So, you know, and I could subscribe to Rever, but I should have, but for all those, you know, you constantly pay. You know, I pay for enough subscriptions. I really don't want to. And you know what subscription is free? The Lehigh Valley Beamers YouTube channel. Yeah, you could subscribe to this channel for free. I mean, yeah, you gotta watch commercials, but yeah, man, I'm gonna put in a little plug here for our channel. I mean, we got a lot of different creators. A lot of different creators on this channel. A lot of different people, and we go on a lot of rides. So check us out. Give us a shot. Well, this turn is something. This turned into something. This turn turned into a turn. Oh, that is cool. Too bad it's dirt. I'm gonna regret that one too. I'm gonna regret not doing that. Not stopping. Whoa, look at that bird. Look at that thing. Yeah, that was huge. Dude, I'm loving this ride. I wish I knew which direction I was going, damn it. Am I going north or east? Or am I going a completely opposite direction? Or am I going south and west? It would... Acquiring minds would want to know. Really important. Really important. And we're back, guys. We are now in Massachusetts on our way to Vermont. And I did get a little screwed up back there on 44. I was going the wrong way. I had to backtrack about, I'm gonna say 10 miles. The sign didn't tell you whether you were going north or south or east or west. It just said you were on 44. It didn't make any sense, so I don't know. And then finally I get to an intersection and finally they had it where they said where it was 44 west. I'm like, oh man, I'm supposed to be going east. So had to backtrack. And now we're on our way. We're on Route 7, Massachusetts. And this I was going to be on 7 for a while. I knew that. I had to go check the map, make sure we're still all right. So far, Route 7 hasn't been too exciting anyway. Nothing real cool. Yeah, took the wrong turn. I mean, if I would have took the other way off 199, there was a sign saying east. But if you go west, it has no sign what direction. It's crazy. It's now 1:30 in the afternoon. And it's 88 degrees. It's not humid or it's not, you know, real sunny where it's oppressive. So I'll take it. Just had to open up my jacket. I do have an armored shirt in case. Oh yeah, Vermont. All right, here we are, guys, the byway. Okay. So yeah, I do have a armored shirt. It's real thin, but it has armor on it. And if I get too hot, last year on the way back from Laconia, it was 101 degrees and I was sweating. I even took the insert out of my jacket and it was still not enough. It was pretty bad. I couldn't believe it. I usually don't get hot on a motorcycle. You know, it's easy for me to get cold on a motorcycle, but hot? No. That day it was hot. I'm not used to 101. I know you guys out west, you know, you're used to like 110, 120, but 101, I thought it was, I was like, my God, I'm gonna melt. We're looking for 30 east. 30 east, which turn, and then 11. And then 100 north. Finally, right? So, next is 30 east. Hopefully there's a sign with direction. I still feel good. My back of my neck is hurting a little bit. Not really my shoulders. Of course I got my backpack on. I know I look like a little, I don't care if I look like a little kid. I like the backpack. I keep the stuff that I really want. If I get it, if I need it real quick, I don't have to go in the boxes. I use the backpack regardless anyway. It don't matter to me. I'm getting thirsty. I'm not hungry. That's another thing. I don't really eat when I'm riding, like on these long trips too. I've said it before. That's one of my. I gotta learn to stop. But I'm not hungry really. Getting thirsty. Of course, you know. I just said about my backpack. My water is in the case. So, dumbass. Anyway, it don't matter.